The question says, what is the output of the following code? It started with a definition of a function named func. The function has three parameters, x, y, and z. The parameter y and z each has a default value. The default value of y is 5 and that of z is 10. What that means is that when you call the function without giving it the value of y or the value of z, the functions will automatically assume that you call with their default value. Okay? What does the body of the function do is it returns the summation of all its parameters, which is x plus y plus z. Now, we are done with the definitions of the function. Let's see how it works. The function is now called. Passed to it as arguments are 5 and the keyword z with a value of 15. Whatever value returned by the function is then assigned to a variable named results. Let's predict the output of the function. Here the function is called with no explicit value assigned to the parameter y. And since the default value of y is 5, the function is going to assume that the value of y is 5. So going by the definition of the function, the return value is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 15. 5 for the x, the other 5 for the y, and the 15 for the z. And I believe the result is 25. And 25 is going to be assigned to the variable results. Results is printed. So the output is going to be A 25, I believe, yes, true. The output is going to be 25. A. B 30, wrong. C 35, wrong. And D 40, wrong. So the right answer is 25.